Hey, this is Danielle over at 𝐨𝐢𝐤𝐤.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy wall-mounted Nerf gun rack. So I had some 1x6s that were laying around. I cut them to 30 inches. I've got two pieces that are 30 inches and I've got one piece that is 42 inches. I also cut 1x3s, two 1x3s to 42 inches. And finally I cut a piece of 1/4 inch plywood to 30.75 by 42 inches. I added some pocket holes here so I could attach the sides to the bottom. I also used wood glue here as well. Once that was finished, I went ahead and attached my 1/4 inch plywood to the back using my Ryobi Strike, and went ahead and also attached the two pieces of 1x3s to the front. This will help hold in the Nerf guns, so you want to place them pretty well there. So I primed and painted it, then I went ahead and added permanent vinyl using my Cricut machine, and I hung it up in our basement where we keep all of our Nerf guns. It's pretty large, but my kids are able to put away their Nerf guns on it pretty easily, including my 5-year-old. You can see he's a little short, but it works. And this was a really good spot to hang all our guns. We didn't have a lot on our walls, so it made sense for us to have some wall storage, get things off the floor, and I'm hoping to make a couple of little bins to hold the Nerf gun bullets as well. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and my blog, 𝐨𝐢𝐤𝐤.com, will have more information. Take care.